PLP file is by far one of the fastest ways to learn some concepts in smartphone graphic designing as far as Pixellab is concerned. So in this video, I'm going to give out some PLP files. Alright, I'm going to give out some PLP files for you to use and practice designing with it. Okay, so these are the files that you are going to make use of. Alright, so there's going to be a password on the zip file. Just watch this video to the end and get to know the password. Right, alright, so basically that is it, and I hope you enjoyed this. For the password is the last test in the video description, so just head over straight to the video description right now and you will see the last test, and that is what the password for the PLP file. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bless up.